AirGuard app. So here is the app built by university. AirGuard identifies tiny trackers like Samsung Smart Tags or tiles that are following you and forwarding your location to a third party. If a tracker is detected, you will get a notification. The iPhone is able to warn you if someone used an Air tag to track you, but there is no such protection against Samsung Smart Tags or tile trackers. AirGuard adds this layer of protection so you can feel safe in your daily life. With the scan option, you can always scan your surroundings and discover hidden trackers. You can search for a specific tracker and tells you how close you can get to it. So this uses Bluetooth scans of your iPhone to find Samsung Smart Tags and tile trackers. Every tracker that is found will be saved locally on your device. Whenever a tracker gets detected multiple times, the app will recognize it. It compares the location where the tracker has been detected. So pretty good. It's getting some traction, so you can just double click to install it. Are you at risk of being tracked? High risk. 3 alerts of potential trackers in the last 14 days. Scan for trackers. Identify if a tracker follows you. Identify tracked locations. Track down the tracker. Just open it up. Manual scan, background scan, Bluetooth access. You can get allow notification access. And then, okay. No risk, no alerts of potential trackers in the last 14 days. Great. So that's the idea. And then you can just see it like that. And then you can see in here. So that's what it is. That's how the app works.